So how in the world have I been able to generate these instant $600 payments like clockwork? You can see this one right here came in yesterday. You can also see if I scroll down a little bit that in the last 2 days of this brand new campaign, I've been able to generate $1,250. Now keep in mind, this is without leaving the house. This is without having to do hard work. This took less than 30 minutes. And inside this exact video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly what steps I took so you can do the same thing. Now, it does not matter if you're brand new. It does not matter if you don't have any tech skills. If you follow what I share throughout this incredibly easy step-by-step video, then you can set yourself up to start to create these results as well. So if you're excited to learn, be sure to smash the like button, and I want to dive right into it without any fluff. So the first thing is I want to go over to Facebook.com, because when you want to promote a product online, we're doing something called affiliate marketing. Why? Why do affiliate marketing? Because it's the easiest way anyone, doesn't matter if you have no experience, no followers, can start to generate cold hard cash online. All you have to do with affiliate marketing is you go to a social media site. It does not matter if you want to use Facebook, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok. I have used almost all of them. They all work. Find one that you enjoy. Now, for the sake of this training, I'm going to be using Facebook because most people have Facebook and most people have some friends on their Facebook profile. Now, the secret is you want to actually find a product that you can promote and make a commission on. The way I was able to generate these $600 instant payments is because I started promoting a new affiliate system that pays you $600 instantly. You don't have to wait. You know, if you go to clickbank.com or if you go to some of these other places and you start to promote products with the strategy I'm going to share, yes, you're going to make tons of money. Yes, you're going to have sales flooding in like it's pouring rain, but you're going to have to wait a long time to get paid. So what I'll do is I'll actually include a link directly below. If you want to find out, you'll get taken to this page. You'll see the exact affiliate system that I'm personally using to generate these commissions. So now once you have a high converting product, the next step is you want to go to a social media site. And what I'm going to do inside this video is share with you my exact ad posting formula, okay? Because what we want to do on these social media sites is we want to post ads, which are simply advertisements, right? If you've ever seen a billboard, if you've ever seen, a radio, you're listening to the radio and someone pitches you on something, these are advertisements. They're everywhere you go, and it just simply works. So how do we do this, right? So the first step is if you're going to use Facebook, you want to go to your Facebook profile. Okay, I recommend a profile, not a fan page. Fan pages, they limit your reach when you make a post because they want you to spend money. This is free advertising. So we want to go to search bar right here, and you want to type in a few words that have to do with the product you're promoting. Now, when you click the link below and you get started through me, you're going to be promoting in the make money online niche, which is incredibly effective and it's incredibly powerful because everyone wants to make more money. So what you can do is you can type in make money online into this search bar. Now, the mistake most people make is they just start looking and they spend a lot of time, looking through these different search results. The secret is you want to go to the left and you want to click on groups. Okay, what this is going to do is this is going to filter by all these different groups. So we're only seeing groups on Facebook that have to do with the words you typed in. If you're promoting a product in health and fitness, you can type in weight loss, health and fitness, things like that. So you want to look for one that has a lot of members. Now, this one has 161,000 members, which is absolutely insane. And we can go ahead and open up that group. Now, once you're inside the group, this is crucial. You want to go to members. Now, why do we want to go to members? Because what we want to do is we want to start building our followers, building our friend list, okay? Now, this is going to slightly vary depending on what social media platform you use. If you want to just copy me and do exactly what I'm doing, then I recommend you start with Facebook, okay? So go to Facebook, go to a group, go to the members, and then you want to look for the section where it says members with things in common. Now, why, Garrett? Why do I want to look for things in common? Because when you start adding friends on Facebook, which is what we're going to do, you want to start with adding people that you already have some friends in common, okay? Now, if you're completely brand new, you may not have any people that have friends in common. But once you start adding a few people, they start accepting your friend requests. You can see right here, some of these people, I have 102, okay, mutual friends with this person, okay? So I know this person is in the niche of making money online. They probably, want that goal, right? So the product that we're promoting is going to help them make money online. This person, 79 mutual friends. So what I would do is I would look at this person and I would click add friend, okay? Now, because we have mutual friends, Facebook is going to allow you to add a lot of these people. Now, I still don't recommend you go out there and you add like 100, 200 people because you may end up in Facebook jail, which is where they limit what you can do for a few days. We've all been there, right? Comment below if you've been in Facebook jail. But what I want to share with you is you can do around 30 people a day, okay? 30 people is pretty safe. And you just want to go through and you want to add these people, okay? Now, you can get a little bit more specific. You could actually go to their profile, make sure like, maybe it looks like they're struggling, okay? So, if it looks like someone's like, if you're in the health and fitness niche, for example, and it looks like someone has a six-pack, then maybe they're not that open to our product, right? So we want to just add, these people. That's the first step. Now, what's going to happen is they're going to get notified. Now, you can see I'm getting all these notifications, right? So what's going to happen is a lot of these people are going to accept your friend request. So you're going to start to build your following. You can see right here that I have 4,000 friends because I've been doing this for a while, okay? Don't try to compare yourself to me. Start small and build. Now, the cool thing with the high converting product and system that you're going to discover as you find yourself eagerly clicking the link below in a few seconds is it is incredibly powerful when it comes to someone brand new. So you don't need a following. You don't need a lot of friends for you to start having these $600 payments flooding into your bank account almost instantly, okay? So what you want to do is you want to, now that we've started building a friends list, we've started having people go to our profile, now you want to post an ad, okay? Because the ad is designed to get people to, digitally raise their hand and say, yes, I'm interested in learning more, okay? So how do we do this? Now, this right here is the exact ad that I posted a couple days ago, and I already made a $600 sale. So this ad is only relevant to the system that we're promoting down below. So when you join me, okay, whether or not you decide to join today or not, when you do that, you can actually use this exact ad copy, okay? Now, all you want to do is you just want to post this on your wall, okay? Now, there's a specific formula. If you're in another niche, if you're promoting something else that I'm going to actually reel to you in just a couple seconds on how to craft a high converting advertisement. So you want to stay tuned. But the way this works is we post an ad. The people that are following us, that are interested in making money online, that are interested in whatever niche you're in, are going to see this ad. And because it uses my coveted step-by-step powerful formula I've never before revealed, a lot of people are going to see this and a lot of people are going to comment. The whole goal with the ad is getting people to either comment or message you for more information. And once these people message, you can see Aaron here, Morn, Perry, boom, 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 right? Just people messaging like clockwork. What's going to happen is you want to then go open up their profile, message them the link to the product you're promoting. So we're building this friends list, we're posting an ad, and then with the people that respond, we're sending them the link to our website. And again, you really want to be promoting a high converting product. So many people that I've seen over the years that have come to me for help, they say, Garrett, I've been doing this, I've been trying to do it, but I'm getting clicks, I'm getting people going to my link, but people aren't buying. What's the problem? The problem is you're promoting something that's not high converting. So what you want to do, I highly recommend, and I'm the guinea pig, right? I tested this out. I never share something with you guys that hasn't been vetted, that hasn't been proven. And when I saw in my first 2 or 3 days, I was able to generate over $1,000 virtually instantly and virtually just manifested this out of nowhere, I knew that I had to share this with you guys, okay? So when you join below, you're going to be able to do the same thing. Now, what's the formula? This is the formula for ads, okay? Compelling benefit plus vague on how plus call to action. Now, what do you mean by that, Garrett? Let me explain, okay? So every ad is going to have a compelling benefit, okay? This is a compelling result. Now, I want to actually give you a real example. You can see right here. I say, holy crap, right? That's designed to get people's attention. When you say, holy crap, oh my gosh, whoa, something like that, it's going to capture people's attention. And then I gave them a specific benefit. I say, hey, I just found a way to get unlimited $600 payments hitting your account. Okay, that's the compelling benefit. You can see this one right here. Who wants access to my training to make daily affiliate commissions in 30 minutes a day? That's the compelling benefit. If you're in the weight loss niche, who wants to learn how to shed 10 pounds in 4 days? That's the compelling benefit. Okay, so you always have to have a compelling benefit inside of your ads. Plus, you're vague on how. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, you don't tell them how they get the benefit. That's why they reach out to you, right? Like, for example, people watching my video very closely, listening to every sound of my voice right now, are probably finding themselves feeling more and more interested, more and more excited to find out what system is at the link below. Notice I never told you what system. You have to go to the link below. You have to put your best email so I can send you access to that information. I'm vague on how, and that's what you want to do, okay? So going back to this, holy crap, I just found a way to get unlimited $600 payments. Now notice I don't say what way, right? I'm vague. I'm general. So people are like, okay, what is he talking about? And then you give a call to action. Then you tell people, comment for info. You tell people, hey, message me if you want more information. You tell people to take a specific action so then you can actually send them the information. And the cool thing with Facebook and some other platforms, as you stay subscribed to my channel and I dive deeper into this, is if you tell people to comment, the more comments you get, the more engagement and the more leads you'll generate, because as people comment, that post will get boosted more and more and more to the top of the page, and you'll get more leads totally for free. Okay, so this is the ad formula. This is what I did to generate these $600 payments. If you want access to the same exact system that not just myself, but people from around the world, different backgrounds, different experience levels, different knowledge base, are all plugging into this. Massive amounts of people are hopping into this hot deal right now. If you want access to the same thing, click the link below and copy my ads. You can literally post this exact ad on your Facebook page, send people to your website when people comment, and watch the income start to flow in like hotcakes, okay? So I hope you got value in this video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button. Also subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more videos just like this, pulling back the curtain and revealing things gurus simply don't want you to know. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.